Good morning, student. Good morning to all of you. Today, our topic is detail estimate of culvert. So, what is the culvert? Culvert is provided in tunnel. It is just a part of tunnel. It is part of tunnel structure provided to support any tunnel. It is culvert. Culvert contains abutment and wing wall. So basically, culvert, we have to analyze the culverts questions. So our question is that prepare a detailed estimate of slab culvert of 1.50 meter span and 4 meter roadways from given drawing. The general specifications are as follow. Foundation concrete shall be of cement concrete 1:3:6 with stone blast and coarse sand. Masonry wall shall be of first class brick in 1:4 cement course. Sand mortar slab shall be of RCC 1:2:4 with reinforcement as per drawing. Exposed surface of brick masonry shall be cement pointed 1:2. Road shall be provided with 10 cm thick bearing coat of 1:2:4 cement concrete. Assume suitable rates. So this is the diagram of culvert. There are two sections are given, the top and bottom section. The top section is the elevation of culvert and the bottom section is plan of the culvert. Top section shows the elevation. We can analyze this top section in this diagram also. This is the top section. This is the elevation of culvert. So it contains a bottom foundation below ground level. The height of this foundation is 30 centimeter. The height of wall provided a big wall. The height of wall is there given there. It is 1.3 plus 0.3 1.6 meter. Total height of wall is 1.6 meter. Height above ground level is 1.30 meter and 1.30 meter. So, and there 20 centimeter thickness slab is provided. The length of this slab is 1.5 plus 0.60 2.1 meter. So this is the basic cross sections of elevation part of the culvert. So outstanding wing portion, dimension of wing portion is 1.20 meter here. And this is the total elevation plus plan. Plan shows the length of the length of this culvert is 4.80 meter, and there are four abutment in a culvert. Sorry, two abutment and four wing wall in the abutment. The size of wing wall is 1.20 into 0.70 meter. So there are four wing wall and two abutment. This is the cross sections plan of the some plan of culvert. Length is 4.80 meter. The thickness of wall is 40 centimeter, and length of dimension of the ring wall is 1.20 meter, and thickness is measured as per the diagram. This is the upsection plan. So first, in the first we have to calculate the earthwork in excavation foundation. We have to solve this culvert by analyzing abutment and wing wall. So there are four wing wall and two abutment. The abutment length of the abutment is 5.10. We can calculate length by showing the diagram. The diagram is shown here. This is the diagram of this diagram. Total 4.80 meter plus 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter is equal to 5.10 meter length, and thickness for excavation 70 centimeter is excavation is done. Width is excavation is 70 centimeter, and excavation is done up to ground level. So the this portion is 60 centimeter below the ground level, so height will be 60 centimeter. So our dimension will be 5.10 meter into 0.70 meter into 0.6 meter. 5.10 meter into 0.70 meter into 0.60 meter. So total quantity will become 4.28 meter cube. Wing wall, there are 4 wing wall. Length is 1.20, I shown you before. Width for excavation it is 0.70 meter, and height is 0.60 meter. Height for it is 60 centimeter below the ground, so 60 centimeter height is considered here. Total quantity is 2.02 meter cube. So final total volume is 6.30 meter cube. So next, cement concrete in foundation. The foundation work is calculated here. For abutment, there are 2 abutment. Length will remain same of abutment 5.10 for foundation. Width for foundation is 0.70 meter. Width of foundation will be 0.70 meter, and depth is 0.30 meter foundation. Depth, I will show you the depth. This is the depth that is shown here. Here the depth is shown this top portion. This is 30 centimeter depth. For in elevation part 30 centimeter depth is shown there. So total quantity will be 2.14 meter cube. For wing wall, 4 wing wall are there. Length is 1.20 meter, width is 0.70, height is 0.30 meter. Total quantity is 1.01 meter. So total volume is 3.15 meter cube. For foundation work 1:3:6 cement in foundation with stone blast. 4 is first class brickwork in 1:4 cement mortar. Brickwork, abutment 2 abutment. Length is 4.80 meter length. Width is 0.40, height is 1.50 meter, and total quantity is 5.76 meter cube. Wing wall, 4 wing wall. Length is 1.20 meter, width 0.40 meter, height is 1.50 meter. Total quantity is 2.88 meter cube. Now the parapet wall up to curb, parapet wall is provided. 2 numbers of parapet wall is provided. Length of parapet wall is 4.70 meter, width is 0.40 meter, and height is 0.30 meter. Total quantity is 1.13 meter cube. Parapet about curb, 2 parapet wall is provided. The length is 4.70 meter, width is 0.30 meter, height is 0.50 meter. Total quantity is 1.41 meter cube. Parapet coping, 2 numbers of copings provided. Length is 4.90 meter, width is 0.40 meter, height is 1.10 meter. Total quantity is 0.39 meter cube. So final total summation is 11.57 meter cube. There deduct bearing of RCC slabs. RCC slab, there are top RCC slab is provided at the tops. So RCC slab is deducted from this brickwork. So there are 2 numbers of RCC slabs is provided. Length is 4.80, width is 0.30 meter, and height is 0.20 meter. Total quantity is 0.5057 meter cube. So final total brickwork is 11 meter cube. RCC work in slabs. Number of slabs, there are 1 slabs. length is 4.80, width is 2.10 meter, and height is 0.20 meter. Total quantity is 2.016 meter cubes. So this is the estimation of detailed estimation of the culvert. Here we solved brickwork, brickwork, foundation work, and earthwork for culvert. So thank you student, thank you everyone.